Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Sennheiser EPOS C20 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click enter. Don't worry, you will have a normal name right here is just trouble with this laptop. So click enter and you will be here. Then click Add Device and Bluetooth. Now, right here at the right ear cup, we have this mute button. You need to press and hold it until these little lights start flashing blue and red. Here we go. We just did it, and now we should see it at the device list. We have it right here. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!